Tēnā koutou. Today we're going to be looking at the use of the word he to describe things. Have a look at the following example just to get us started.
He wai makariri tēnei.
So what you'll notice with that example, he wai makariri tēnei, is that the word makariri, or cold, follows the word wai, or water. So the adjective or describing word is following the noun that it's trying to describe. If we take another example, in English, a fast dog, we translate that as he kuri tere, not he tere kuri. So it's important to remember that this structure is flipped around when we go from English to Maori or Maori to English. Take a look at the following kupu hau, which we're going to be using later on in the video.
Kai tākaro. Kaha. Koi. Pai.
Ko wai tērā?
Ko LeBron James. He kai tākaro kaha ia ne.
Ai, te āhua nei. Oh, kia tūpato rei, he nai hi koi tēnā.
Pēhea o whakaro.
He piki tia pai tēnei. In the next few examples, we're still using he to describe things, but we've just tweaked the formula a little bit. It still serves the same purpose, however. So have a look at these.
Tōkena. Hanawiti. Haunga. Mātao. Reka.
Oh, he haunga ngā tōkena.
Anei tō cup of tea.
Kia ora. He mātao tēnei cup of tea. Pēhea te hanawiti, bro.
He reka te hanawiti.